What's up, everybody? Pokegex here. Today we're going to be opening up a Prismatic Evolutions bundle. Let's see what we get. So we have 6 packs of Prismatic. Let's open them up and see what we get. So I got my 3 packs. I'm going to start ripping them open. I hate this set. I never hit anything.
I don't think we have hit. I think we've hit a trainer. A trainer or two.
I just always know it'll be a full art trainer, if anything. Ooh, rescue board Pokeball. Nice. And a Okie Dokie and a Hollow Energy. Alright. Second pack. Oof, I'm failing today. Black belt training. I'm gonna be doing that soon. Sneasel. Ooh, Lugia EX, first hit.
Nice.
Okay. Last pack for me. Can I redeem? Maybe like an SIR, that'd be cool. I don't even know what hits are in the set, besides the evolutions.
Right.
Hold on. Come on. Purdue and Iron Boulder. Alright, let's hope Shelby has the luck today.
Let's see. Okie dokie. My turn. Let's see.
Ooh.
Ooh. Flareon Hollow.
Typical Prismatic.
Yup.
Typical. Chaplain. Diplin.
Diplin.
Ooh.
Max Rod. A-Spec. Umbreon Hollow. I don't think I have this one. I've been collecting the A-Specs and I do not recognize that one. Okay, last pack. Come on, bundle. Come on.
Oh, Pokeball.
Pokeball. Groudon and Shiny Energy.
It's over.
Prismatic. Yeah, kind of random opening this, but
we had it, so
we had it. Test our luck with it, and yeah, typical result. So we got 2 Pokeballs, an EX, and an A-Spec. So
better luck next time.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yes, thank you.
Peace.
Peace.